So I'm in the process of working up some crochet masks, and it has a wire on the top so that it conforms to the bridge of your nose, and elastic for the ear straps. And this is for an adult size, and this is for my 4-year-old granddaughter. I still have to do the elastics. Yeah, and this has wire as well. And so yeah, I'm in the middle of kind of coming up with a face mask pattern, and so this was my prototype here, and I might do this one over again. I'm not crazy about the flatness right there. I made room for the nose, but it's a little too flat, so I adjusted the pattern but in a smaller size for Petrova, and as you can see, it's rounder and it still allows for the nose area. And of course I'm going to be doing a cloth lining in there so that we stay safe, because as you know, crochet projects have little holes throughout. So that's what I'm working on. So you guys should have a tutorial coming shortly. Let me know down below if that is something that you are interested in. And yeah, so I'm going to be putting material in here as well. I haven't sewn the elastics on. I was trying to figure out the easiest way to do it without having to stop crocheting to sew. So I just slid the elastics in through here. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to then sew the elastic to this last strand right there, to that first single crochet yarn right there, there, and there. And then you won't even see any of that anyway, because I'm going to then cut this and I'm going to have material lining in there. So let me know if this is something that you would be interested in. It fits the nose so nicely. So yeah, see how it conforms to the nose because it has wire in there, crocheted in there. So yeah, let me know down below if you're interested in this, because it doesn't seem like this corona is going away anytime soon. Alrighty guys, I look forward to showing y'all this tutorial, and yeah, talk to y'all later. Bye.